Hi everyone, Merry Christmas, season greetings. Hope you all are doing fine. Right? So you could tell from the title today is a Empties trash haul, right? This video is overdue and I need to get rid of these products, empty products. So let's jump straight into the video. This is the bag. There's a few things that I have. Pulling out one by one. So the first item that I have been using for a while is the St. Ives Acne Control Oil-Free Acid Acne Medication Apricot Scrub. Guys, everyone know this is for your face. To be honest, I did not use this on my face. I use it on my body, especially on my back. I used to get pimples on my back, but I don't get pimples no more. So I just use this as a scrub, and it does work. It does do its job. When I first tried this, someone said try it for my skin, and I did try it for my skin. But you know this for your face. But I tried for my skin like a body scrub and it worked pretty well. So yeah, you all could try it on your body if you have any acne on your body. And it does work. It does really work on higher skin, real smooth. Now, if your skin is sensitive, do not try this because this have beads in it, right? It have beads in it. It prevents acne and it even skin tone. So if you want to even out the skin tone as well, you can use this as well. But I don't use this on my face, I use it on my body. So you all could try it, right? Would I repurchase this back? Yes, I would. But right now I'm not getting any more acne on my back. I have been cleansing and stuff, so yeah. You all should take a look at that as well. Do some detox, cleanse out your inside and see what will happen if you're getting any acne on your back, your chest, anyway. You intend to get acne, so you could try this. Next item, well, the next empty product is the All Clean Green Foam Hemorrhage. pH balancing facial cleanser, my clean, effective, low acid for sensitive skin. I will be purchasing this bag. This looks really good. This is one of the brand I would buy from the person. Is a Korean brand. This is look really good, so you all could try out this if you want. I'm just running through this because it's overdue. How we on face products? The Vita B5 toner. This is the next product I will be repurchasing soon. These products will be really good, guys. Going into 2024, you all need to see about your face if you are applying makeup on your skin. So make sure and buy a cleanser, toner, face, a serum, a vitamin C. We as ladies, let us see about ourselves in 2024. yes, I will be purchasing this brand. As we on face color, the Centella Calming Gel Cream. This will good as well. All these products made in Korea, but being honest, I didn't buy over these same products. I'm using something different, but still Korean brand, right? I think I showed you all on my last video. Vitamin C serum, and let's see what other I have. The Nupa Vitamin C serum. This will good as well. And also the Vicabe's tree sauce. I on my second bottle on this. This is look real good. The skin on my face comes the same complexion with my skin on my chest. So this looks very good. And vitamin C serum is good to add to your routine during the day because this protects you from the sun as well if you don't have any sunscreen. But the sunscreen you can also use as well. So both sunscreen and vitamin C does work on your face. Guys, we need to say about ourselves. So 2024, let's make that a goal. And I also finish my Simple, the brand name Simple Purifying Facial Wash. I also finished this. Actually, I use this on my clients. Like if my clients when my clients come to do their makeup, first thing I ask them if their face is clean. If it's not clean, I give them some of this and let them wash their face by the sink so they can have a clean canvas to apply the makeup on. Besides putting cream on the face and whatnot, right? So this Simple brand is a good brand. If you're sensitive, you can use this brand because this is a daily skin detox. It deeply cleanses and controls shine and clear skin. So right now I have to go back Pennywise and buy one for upcoming carnival to do people faces, right? I think that is all on skin. Okay, the next product is the Baby Dove arm wash fragrance free moisture where there's area. Guys, if you are sensitive, try this, right? It works good. It's for babies, so obviously it won't do you anything, right? Now the next product I finished was the Body Collagen Cucumber Melon 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. So you can remember this. Right, I bought this in Pennywise. Majority not well, this so far, and this. I bought this in Pennywise, guys. When I bathe with this smell up on the whole body collagen. When you bathe in the bathroom, it is scent up the whole bathroom. It have a time when I now bathing with it and I'll pull it out to bathe. My boyfriend was like, does that smell like chow? I said, chow? I say, well, it's cucumber and melon. He said, not smell like chow, you see, he said it smell like something like chow, like how cucumber was smelling at chow. And he said it's smelling real good. So this is a plus. I will buy back this for sure. Well, you all know I done already purchased one in this already, so I need to buy back one in this. But if it have a different scent, I will try a different scent. But this cucumber melon smell real good, real good. The next body wash is the Suave Flavor Factory Sugar Cookie Smash body wash. You all can remember this? Right. I buy this in Pennywise. Plus, smells real good. He said this one will smell good. This have a more mild scent. They smell real good. So I advise you all to purchase this as well. It smells real good. It does scent up your bathroom. So I don't mind buying back them too. The next product is anti-Jackie. So clean is the moisturizing and softening shampoo. Now this have shea butter and olive oil. It deep moisturizing and detangle hair bath for dry hair. It's for natural curls, coils and wave. Right. Anti-Jackie products, I do not like it because it dry out my hair. I do not know if they change the formula, but for now I wouldn't buy it back. But if I know the formula change, I don't mind buying it back, but it does dry out my hair. You all can remember this I bought in Pennywise. It was 2 body scrub. The first one was a lavender or something, and this one is vanilla. Well, I now actually finish this one, but I repurchase this back. No, waste of time. It ain't doing skin nothing. Now this item here, first time I purchased it in Pennywise, and I told you all I will come back and give you all this review. You all can remember this. This was the pads I buy, the Goodness Protection Nighttime Sanitary Napkins. I told you all I would come back and give you the review. It's 8 hours dry comfort, right? Cotton, fragrance free, ultra thin, fast as absorbent, comfortable, wide width. It has 14 pieces in it. Now, if you're the type of girl like cushion, real cushion, this is for you. I always use infinity pads, which their pads are very thin, but it is whole a lot. I love thin pads. So would I repurchase this back? No, it's not for me. I don't like thick sanitary napkins, so I would not purchase this back. But does it work? Yes, it does work. It works like every other pad. So, but it's not for me. It is not for me. So you all could try it. Nothing is wrong with it. You all could try it. I did get this in Pennywise in Tuna Puna. So you all could try it. The name of it is Goodness Protection. Now, when I was busy for the last 2-3 months, I did not get time to go in Pennywise to pick up my Kotex, U-Kotex, which is my panty sheets. So I end up going by my favorite store and pick up Kotex protectors, right? In long. This one. First time I used this. No. This is like this. Plenty cushion. Not for me. The U-Kotex is very thin. This is the reason why I like thin stuff. So when it absorbs liquid, I don't like feeling soggy thing between my thigh. So this is not for me. But it is work. I didn't have no choice. But it is work. The U-Kotex is very thin, and the Always Infinity pads is very, very thin. So that's a no for me. Now remember, in my Pennywise haul, it didn't have the original in the Dove spray. It didn't have no original when I went to the store down the road. So I ended up buying 2 in this one, which is the Invisible Care Floral Touch. Guys, to be honest, it does do the same thing. It's just the original. I like the kind of Dove. I like the baby. the baby scent, baby powder scent per se. Baby powder scent I like, so I end up purchasing two. It worked the same way, it's just I like the baby powder scent, to be honest, but I repurchase that back here, man, no problem. And no problem, it doesn't matter right now. It does not really matter. So guys, that is it for the empty hauls. It was fast and furious. I had to put out this for the longest one and I did not. I said the new year cannot meet me with this in my house, so it needs to go out now. So as I finish tape this going straight into the trash, right? So guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell, and share. Sharing is caring. A new year is approaching, 2024. Ladies, let us make this deal. We need to see about ourselves by exercising, doing facial, doing more things for ourselves. Yes, I know we have bills to pay, we have this to do, but we need to see about ourselves, right? And I would like to say Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. Thanks for staying and being at my side, subscribing, commenting, liking, watching, however you engage. Thank you so much for being at my side for 2023, and 2024 should and will be better. And let's bring in the new year with a great habit of seeing about ourselves, right? So thank you so much. Happy New Year. See you all next year. Bye.